Hello there, user testing community. Once again, it's Mike McDowell from the Solutions Consulting team at User Testing with the latest tip of the week. Today, I want to talk to you about bias in sequencing when you're doing a comparison test. So if you're showing someone a version A and a version B, and you're trying to get them to tell you which one they like better, the order in which you show those items could very well impact the outcome. So if you show version A first all the time and then version B second, people may inherently hang on to the things they liked about version A. And then when they see version B, they're always comparing it to what they saw first. So that at the end, they tell you, well, we really liked version A because it was what they got used to first. So in order to combat this, we at User Testing have implemented something on all tests that is available called balanced comparison. And so if you look at the screen here, you'll see this is a standard user testing test builder, the form. And down here on the right side, you can see balanced comparison. Now, I've got this turned on for the sake of speed, but you see here, just like any other tests, I've given a preliminary task. I usually like to do some introductory tasks, find out about the panelist, the respondent, who they are, how they relate to the study. In this case, we're going to do a comparison of insurance company homepages. So here I ask them, who is your current insurance carrier? Written question, standard. Then you'll see by turning on balanced comparison, I get the group A tasks and the group B tasks. Now I've made them identical because I want them to be the same, just shown randomly. So I put in here launch URL, in this case it's State Farm, and then down here I launch Progressive. And then I simply ask them, the homepage that this homepage seems like it can meet all of my personal insurance needs. Same question here, poor, excellent, etc. In terms of rating. Then below, I ask a multiple choice question. I prefer the following website's homepage. Now, by turning on balanced comparison and then setting these both up to be the same, half of my participants will be shown version A first. The other half will be shown version B first. So that way, any sequencing bias can hopefully be teased out of the research, and we can get a fair assessment of the two sites absent of any bias. So one tip here is that you probably do want to use an even number of respondents. So if you normally use 5, you may want to use 6 so that you can get 3 and 3. But this is a very simple way to make sure that you're not biasing your research by simply putting version A's tasks first and version B's tasks second for all of your participants. So hopefully that was really helpful to you. I look forward to sharing another tip of the week with you